Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for two-wheeled performance, torque thrills, and everything that screams horsepower and handling. If you love motorcycles as much as we do, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a ride. Let's start with what matters most, the heart of the beast, the engine. The KX750 SM is powered by an all-new 749 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine tuned specifically for Supermoto performance. It's not just a rehashed Ninja 650 block or a bored-out dirt bike engine. This thing has been engineered from the ground up for torque, agility, and street fun. Kawasaki really nailed the geometry on this bike. The short wheelbase and steep rake angle give it insane flickability. You barely need to think about turning. It just dives into corners. Whether you're Supermoto sliding through tight corners or just lane-splitting through city traffic, it feels alive, nimble, and responsive. The bike comes with 3 riding modes: Sport, Road, and Rain. Sport mode gives you full power with the least intervention from traction control, while Rain softens throttle response and adds extra TC to keep things stable. Road mode gives you a balanced mix of the two. You also get KTRC, Kawasaki Traction Control, with 3 levels: wheelie control, launch control, and even cruise control. Yes, cruise control on a Supermoto. Perfect for those highway stretches, or when you just want to relax. Fuel economy is surprisingly decent. You're looking at around 45 miles per gallon, which gives you a range of roughly 160 miles from the 13-liter tank. Not bad for something this performance-focused. The seat height is a bit tall, about 860 millimeters, but that's expected in this class. If you're under 5 feet 8 inches, you might find it a stretch, but once you're rolling, that height gives you commanding road presence and excellent visibility. You've also got a rear subframe built with luggage compatibility in mind, so daily commuters or light tourers can strap on a tail bag or soft panniers. Kawasaki even offers an accessory pack with handguards, a skid plate, and an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust that sounds absolutely mental. So who is this bike for? If you're someone who loves the thrill of Supermoto riding but wants something more substantial than a 450 cubic centimeters dirt bike conversion, this bike is for you. If you're a seasoned rider looking for a new kind of fun on the street, something lighter and more nimble than your average naked or sport bike, this bike is for you. Even if you're coming off a middleweight like a Z650 or MT-07 and want something with more personality, this bike is definitely worth a look. The KX750 SM isn't just a new bike from Kawasaki. It's a statement. It's saying, hey, we can do Supermoto, and we can do it with style, power, and modern tech. And they absolutely delivered. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Kawasaki KX750 SM comes in at around $10,999 US, which is a killer deal when you look at what you're getting. It undercuts a lot of rivals in the naked bike and Supermoto space, especially when you factor in the electronics, the adjustable suspension, and that parallel twin engine. With this bike, Kawasaki has positioned itself perfectly between raw dirt-converted Supermotos and heavier street-focused machines. It's light, aggressive, packed with tech, and priced to move. Let's wrap it up. The 2026 Kawasaki KX750 SM is, without question, one of the most exciting releases of the year. It's fast, it's nimble, it's loud in all the right ways, and it brings legit Supermoto energy to the street with Kawasaki's signature reliability and design language. Whether you're tearing up the city, hitting the canyons, or just looking for a ride that keeps your heart pounding and your face smiling, this bike delivers. It's got soul, it's got tech, and it's got that edge that makes every ride feel like a mini adventure. Channel outro. Alright folks, that's going to do it for today's breakdown of the 2026 Kawasaki KX750 SM. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, would you ride this beast? Or are you still Team Dual Sport? Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, stay safe, ride hard, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.